Hi there, I'm gonna give a brief instruction how to install the auxiliary lights on the 790 Adventure, which we can control with a high beam light switch. Okay, first remove the windshield. Easy. Now this piece by one nut here. Unscrew and pull this up. Okay. The lower fairing is mounted by just two screws, one here, another one here. Unscrew it and remove. Then this tower is removed by four screws, two on each side and two underneath. It's a bit tricky with the two slats here holding the tower. You need to put the flat screwdriver, push it hard and pull. That's it. Yeah, this is where we need to put a screwdriver in, okay? Push it here, pull it out. To remove the headlight, in order to find the high beam wire, we need to split in half the head of the bike. In this case, we're gonna take this whole piece of plastic, removed, and it's held by a lot of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and another 2 here. 8, 9. Then we also need to loosen these two screws which hold this bar, the frame of the head of the bike. Loosen this in order to take this part out. After loosening these two screws, and we can make a little room here to remove the head. By the way, on the other side we have to unscrew this screw too, which hold the monitor. Unscrew this, and the other two is this one and this one, which hold the headlight inside. Okay, this monitor just holding by two screws on each side. After remove two screws, then you unscrew this small one. But also we need to remove the spacer inside, a small spacer. This spacer is removed, so we can take the monitor apart. Okay. Underneath the headlight, this piece of plastic, this one, also need to be removed. In my case, I have already installed my cable for the auxiliary light, but normally it's not here. This piece of plastic removed by pushing these two pins. There's two pins here, and then you can remove. Okay. After thousands of ball and nuts removed, now we can take this whole part out. Okay. And the headlight is just connected by one big cable here. Unplug the cable. Very little precious headlight. Unplug the signal, the light signal cable, and this cable too. To remove totally this half. This is a headlight cable, the big one, the only big one here. Peel out the cover, find the blue, solid blue one. This is the wire for the high beam light. In my case, the auxiliary light is the clear water. The control and relay unit is very small, so I find a little space, a little room here to hide it, the controller. And the red cable here is the one who sends the signal to control the relay inside the control unit. I just connect the red one with the solid blue cable of the high beam light of the bike. Then the cable is done. We need to power up the auxiliary light by connecting a direct power cable into the battery, the main battery here. There is a small gap here where we can put the wiring all the way back to here and then go up here, so we can hide the power wire system very neatly. Okay. I DIY the mounting system for the light bulb unit here, hanging over to the pipe, which is the frame to the head of the bike, hanging here, and lay over on the side of the tank with a small piece of rubber to protect from scratch.